Want explosive growth for your business? Look no further than Latin America's tech scene. Latam is overflowing with talented developers, engineers, and programmers. These individuals are highly skilled and incredibly passionate. Why choose Latam, you ask? Think cost-effectiveness. You get exceptional talent without breaking the bank. Plus, many Latam professionals are multilingual. They seamlessly integrate into diverse teams. Latam's proximity to major U.S. time zones is a game-changer. This means fewer communication headaches and smoother collaboration. Ready to dive in? Let's explore how to find the perfect Latam IT Pro for your needs. Finding top-tier Latam talent is easier than you think. Numerous online platforms specialize in connecting companies with Latam professionals. LinkedIn, remote job boards, and regional tech communities are your gold mines. When evaluating candidates, focus on both technical prowess and soft skills. Look for experience, portfolio highlights, and communication abilities. Remember, cultural fit is key. Conduct interviews virtually using video conferencing tools. Prepare thoughtful questions that assess problem-solving skills, experience, and cultural adaptability. Provide clear information about your company and the role. Be transparent about salary and benefits. Latam work culture is warm, collaborative, and relationship-driven. Building trust and rapport is crucial for successful partnerships. Communication styles tend to be polite and respectful. Latam professionals are known for their strong work ethic and dedication. They take pride in delivering high-quality work. Be mindful of potential language barriers. Use clear, concise language and be patient. Flexibility is key when working with remote teams. Be open to different working styles and time zones. Establish clear communication channels and expectations from the outset. Onboarding sets the tone for a successful working relationship. Provide comprehensive onboarding materials in both English and the employee's native language. Assign a dedicated mentor to guide them through the company culture and processes. Regular check-ins and feedback sessions are essential for smooth integration. Encourage open communication and address any concerns promptly. Foster a welcoming and inclusive environment that celebrates diversity. Remember, cultural differences can be an asset. Embrace the unique perspectives and experiences your Latam hires bring to the table. By investing in their success, you'll reap the rewards of a thriving and innovative workforce.